So then Shokin, I'm going to clear your doubt. Log into Google Classroom. Every time it will show this page. Press on this if you have logged into Google Classroom by your account. Otherwise, go to get started for free and then join classes. Now I have logged in, that's why I just pressed go to classroom. Okay, now we will go to respective classrooms. Like I want to see my English language marks. So there I go. Okay, so you see here. You can see out of 25 I've got 17.5 in English language. So in this way you will be able to see your marks. Okay? Hare Krishna.